Kadaama TV olwaleero amawulire ge nninawo siga ssanyu waliwo voice note yengenda oba playingirawo nga yaliikinze nyagamba yaliikinze buliikinzi nga eri between two offices ng'eri mu office ye Uganda ne office ye Dubai bano abatwala bakadaama nga video voice note eno tetumanyi yaliwo ddi oba yakaakati oba yaddako naye ekyo si kikulu ekikulu information gye tujjamu bubaka ki bwe tufunamu offices zino zikola zitya emirimu gyazo era kiki ekigenda mu maaso nga Kadaama afudde. Bansikumidde wano ebifaananyi bya Kadaama ng'ali mu ffumbiro afudde, waliwo omusaayi, waliwo n'abapoliisi, abapoliisi bali basatu. Waliwo ne kavidiyo akatono ke bansikumiddeko naye sigenda kubeera nga mbiteekayo, sigenda kubeera nga nteekayo ebifaananyi bino. In fact abapoliisi bali wano bali bana. Kakati story eri nti Kadaama ono nga bwe mbagambye tetumanyi oba yakaakati oba yaddako naye tugenda kufunamu kyakuyiga. Twagala tubapuleyingire ne voice note eno mugiwulire mulabe bukuubagano ki obubeerawo na kubuzaabuza ki okubeerawo between these offices. Kadaama ono office ye Uganda yava e Uganda ng'asayininze nti agenda Dubai. Bw'atuuka e Dubai according to the voice notes kiraga nti yavaawo ate n'agenda Oman. Kampani ye Dubai n'ebeera nga musukumye Oman. Kadaama ono azze ng'abagamba bannaaye ndi mu mbeera mbi I'm crazy ng'omukyala we bw'agamba naye nga tebawulira. Kye kino office kye tubagamba ne mulowooza nti no tubabeerako ne kye kimu kye tugamba ne ku embassy. Fe okuvaayo oba bakadaama okuba ne boogera embeera gye balimu babeera baagala kutuusa obuzibu bwe balimu mu butegeere naye temwagala butegeera. Mulinda nga bamaze okufa ate ne muvaayo ne mwefuula ati ne mufaayo mubeera temulina kye mufaayo. Omuntu afaayo oba omuntu asiima omuntu amusiima era afaayo ng'akyali mulamu. Bw'oba ofudde ne bw'oleeta billions and billions oba miliyoni oba ntoga nti n'omuntu omuwadde miliyoni 5 naye nga bulwadde tewamuwa wadde n'ekikumi obeera tolina by'okoze. Obeera ocelebratinga kufa kwe noga kampeyo miliyoni 5. Bwe yali omulwadde ku kitanda tewawaayo wadde na mutwalo naye afudde ogamba olumbe eno taddemu miliyoni 5. Kitegeeza tolumiddwa wabula ocelebratinga osanyusa okufa kwe. Okitegeera kakati a company Kadaama agenda n'avaayo bannaye nziruse mu nnyumba bano ennyumba eri tesoboka mukola ki mukubba emiggo olumala ne mumuzaayo. Bw'afa ne mugamba bannaye tunyololedde nnyo Kadaama afudde. Ddala kibeera kituufu? Tubakubiriza nti bannaye buli Kadaama bw'avangayo n'agamba nti bannaye gye ndi kyokya mukikkirize nti gyali kyokya kuba agenda okuba nga yasitula enguguuze n'ava mu Uganda n'ajja e Buwarabu abeera n'ebyokukola bingi nnyo e Uganda naye waasalirawo nti azze Buwarabu kukola aba ddala azze kukola. Wagamba nti bannaye ekintu kigaanye ddala kiba kigaanye. Kye twogerako nakiri ekyembasa kye twagamba nti Kadaama wajjira wansi w'omuti n'agamba nze okusula mu nnyumba kansule wano mu mpewo. Ddala mu butuufu Kadaama oyo abeera n'obuzibu. Mutunuulirenga nnyo obuzibu bw'abaana bwe bayitamu. Era naawe olowooze singa abadde muwala wo Omuwarabu oyo abonyaabonya Kadaama oyo ddala singa abadde muwala we yalimukiriza n'abonaabona. Banne Kadaama ono akaabye ebbanga. Bw'onoowulira voice note eno omukyala agamba nti Kadaama yeeyesse. Kadaama yeeyesse mbu yeetuze. N'ebino bya bulimba nabagamba ebintu bino babisiteejinga busiteejinzi. Ne bamukuba era bw'olaba ekifaananyi kye nnina wano mu ffumbiro mujjuddemu omusaayi. Omuntu eyeetuze ddala mugundi asobola okuvaamu omusaayi. Mwali mwalabyeko omuntu eyeetugga ku muguwa n'avaamu omusaayi. Ekifaananyi kiikino abapoliisi bali 1 2 3 4 be bayimiriddewo. Kadaama ali wano ali mu kawale ali mu ne ki blouse oba ki shirt dress kya black ne akakaaya akamuli ku mutwe ka white. Wonna okuva ku mutwe paka eno wansi ku bigere ne ku floor kwonna kujjudde omusaayi. Mujja kuwuliraawo madamu oyo ng'agamba yeetuze. Omuntu eyeetuga yali avuddemu omusaayi nga yeetaddemu omuguwa. Mwali mulabyeko nga avaamu omusaayi. So kuno kubeera kubuzaabuza. Bamusukuma Dubai afiiridde Oman. Ddala mu expectinga family ya muntu oyo efuulira etya. mikisa gye musuubira mu nsi muno era mwe mugenda kugibeera mutya. Tubagamba nnyo bane muveeyo muyambe ng'abaana nga bagambye bane tuli mu buzibu. Ffe Kadaama TV bwe tuba ne tuwogera nti ono ali mu buzibu, ono ali mu buzibu, tetulina kye tuba tufunamu. Wabula tubeera twagala okutaasa obulamu bw'abo abantu. Sigamba nti tubeera tubakuba magi. Office bagamba Kadaama TV yayogedde bw'ati, embassy negamba ebintu byagenze Kadaama TV era mwabitaddeyo. Eyo si ye point wawe babiteeka. Point eriwo omuntu ono abitaddeyo, lwaki abitaddeyo? Lwaki afoosingibwa n'agamba nti oba bigenda ku YouTube bigendeko naye nga nina okuexposinga abantu bano. Mbeera yeeba emuforcinze okukola ekintu ekyo. Ate embeera gye mubeera temwagala kubeera nga muyambamu. Mugenda kuwulira voice note ezo mulyoke mulabe nti Kadaama ono bassemutte. Kadaama ono tannaba kwettako. Ate ne kye mbadde simanyi waliwo compensation, mpulira wano gundi agenti we Uganda abuuza mugenda kuwa famire ye ssente mmeka? Ate bano balinga abatalina willing kuba bagamba yeyesse. Kitegeeza tewali bwewe wadde n'ekikumi. Ne compensation si kyekikulu. Kuba bagamba obulamu ze ssente. Omuntu bw'obeera n'obulamu osobola okubeera mukola ssente. Naye Kadaama ono n'alaajana tewali kye mbadde mukola. Kati amaze okufa muyagala otulaga nti mbadde mufaayo. Temufaayo wabula mucelebratinga kufa kwe. Kuba bino bye mwagala. Omuntu ayagala Kadaama afe yakuba Kadaama nga aze ku ofiisi okuloopa yazaayo Kadaama mu kiyumba jadduse. Oba oyagala afe. So bw'aba afudde tetwagalanga nnyo mutulage nti nomufuddeyo. Katuwulirize abantu bano voice note eno yaliikinze nga yabadde between office ye Uganda ne office ye Dubai, office ye Dubai nga yamusukuma Oman. Katuwulirize bulungi nnyo naye nga kitalo nnyo ddala.
They called their office yesterday. This lady has hung herself in the house for the. But today she's going outside from the house without clothes like this. I don't know what happened to her.
Then she called her family. She's very okay. This girl, maybe they just kill her. Not her.
Nobody killed her. Nobody killed her. But why she called her family? Why nobody killed her? Why she hung herself in the room with Sheila?
Why you take to Oman? I bring this girl to Dubai. Why you take to Oman?
She agreed. We don't take someone by force. She agreed. She said it's okay, no problem.
But
she agreed.
Break her phone.
She agreed. This man wants to buy for her. Okay?
Now, what I do, my friend? This is a big problem for me.
She just hung herself. She say yesterday when I'm talking to her on the phone, she's not in her normal self. It's not about the phone only. She say for me she's crazy. Then I ask her, why you're saying like this? Why you saying you're crazy? She said for me, no, I'm crazy. I am crazy. I am crazy. Me now I have become crazy. I ask her, what's the problem? No, I am crazy. I ask her, there is something wrong with your family. There is any witchcraft like this. No, I am crazy. This is how she talked to me. What I do now, sir?
I tell you, don't take this girl to. You first spoke to me. Why you take to a man? Now big problem for me, not for you. I called the sponsor not speaking my number. This girl, she died yesterday.
This man is Emirates. This man is from Emirates. He's not like the nationality from there. That's why he make a visa here. He takes her there.
This girl, yesterday, I called sponsor saying I'm taking back to agents. After night, at morning, she died. How she died when she's taking back? I know my mate. I trust my mate. This girl, they just killed her. She don't kill her so. What did they just kill her?
You should see how she was behaving. This man she tell that to talk to this lady because I told her I will buy for her a cell phone. And she said, okay, I will talk to her. I talked to her yesterday. She said for me, I am crazy. I asked her, why you saying you're crazy? It's not good for you.
Today morning I'll ask you, you pretend you don't know anything. I called
just now. No, the lady from the office did not know. Just now my manager tell me. This information, nobody talk about it. Only my manager, she knew, and she didn't come in office. This is what exactly I will tell you right now. Nobody lied, nobody has did anything. Because if we wanted to hide, we will hide.
How I send this person back to Uganda?
No, I don't know. what will happen. This now the procedure this man will finish. Really, I'm so sad myself.
How I send back? How I send the dead person to Uganda? How I send back?
I don't know. She killed herself. What happened to her? What did she talk to her family? Really, she was saying for me she's crazy.
She talks to her family. She tells her family you treat her bad. You break her phone. You take her to house. They treat her bad. That's what she tells her family. Her mother called to me. She told me my daughter suffering. Bring her back home.
Nobody really know how many days. Do you know how many days she's there? Only 2 days. Only what the man told her. Don't walk naked. Don't walk with these short clothes. Really, I swear, my God. She has very bad clothes. And when even here she's in the agency, we told her, don't wear these clothes here. Even when you go employers out, they will give you uniform. She don't want. She's her hard head. I told her, don't wear like this. This employer does not like. This lady or your madam does not like.
Let me ask you.
She said for me, okay. And then yesterday.
How do I send back for burial? How do I send back for burial?
Okay, this man, where did he get you talk to him?
No, you talk to Abraham. Abraham talk to me. I don't know anything. Abraham responsibility, not my responsibility. Abraham has to do everything.
Akram said he will do everything.
Abraham, he blocked to me on WhatsApp. I don't talk to him now. He blocked to me. Tell him to unblock to me. I need to talk to Abraham. I give to Abraham. Why he blocked me now? He only need money. Only need money. Problem broke up. He blocked to me. Only he need money. Now problem comes. He don't want to talk to me. How I take back for burial? Family, I need person for burial. How I get back? Tell me.
Okay, we will tell you what is the procedure, sir. We will talk to him.
When you tell me.
Okay, this morning he has to confirm. He has to talk to us first, right or wrong. He has to tell us the procedure. After this, we will say for you what he will do.
Because I need this person for burial in Uganda before Wednesday they take back.
You talk back to her family? You tell them?
How I tell her family? How I tell her family?
Jesus Christ.
How I tell her family? Tell me how I tell you. Tell me how I tell them. Give me example.
It's hard, I know. Okay, I know it's hard.
I tell you before, if she doesn't want to work, we give. Don't force her to work. Let's give her.
No, nobody forced her to work. She confirmed with you. She said she will work, right or wrong?
Yeah, but not in Oman.
She confirmed.
You know, if she died from.
No, she said nobody everywhere. If she wanted to kill herself, really she would have done it. But nobody forced her to go there. She herself volunteered. She said, okay, madam, I will go there. I will go. Now, this man is working.
How we take back? How we take burial? How we take back for burial?
By when? When do you want this?
I need this by Wednesday to go back for burial.
Okay, wait. I tell the manager.
I need and how much compensation they are giving to her?
Will you have blood? Yeah.
How much compensation are you paying for her?
Madam is saying this man now in the hospital. Okay, in the hospital now they will talk to she's now in custody of police and in the hospital, right? You know this, if someone murders herself, if someone commits suicide, they're in the hands of police after this. So after they finish with her, they will talk to this man, and then he will say when they will transport her.
Okay. How much penalty?
I don't know, really. I don't know what time they will take. She said also she doesn't know because they will finish fast. They will make for her everything, investigations like this. After this, they will take her.
No, I need to know how much money they are paying to family.
Okay, let me ask.
How much money they are paying to family?
Mama Maria. This problem now is, I don't know, because she's the one who killed herself. If if someone killed herself, no, if someone killed her or if someone killed her or قلت لها لازم تسوي بصمة. Hello?
Hello?
She said there is a papers, you will receive papers how she killed herself, every information after investigation. But about money, I don't know because she killed herself. This is another story.
Who comes to take from barrio? Who pay?
I don't know. This is police. They will everything the police will order.
If I tell family now, they ask me when the dead body coming, when dead body coming. They put me too much pressure. I need to know when we can send for barrio, everything like this.
But who is saying they want body?
Her family, they will ask for body.
You already tell them, or really you will tell them later?
That's why I don't want to tell them now. I want to tell them when maybe tomorrow going, then I tell them.
Okay, when we have reports, we will call you. Okay. So please, like that as well. Please. Also me, I feel very burdened right now. I don't want to talk too much.
How long this process take? 1 month,
Don't
2 weeks?
No, I don't think it's very long. But I don't. Immediately, police will release the report. Immediately, I will communicate with you. It's okay like this?
Please, I need burial Wednesday. That's what I give to you. I need body Wednesday to us. But Tuesday, they send home for burial.
It's only ready and what we have.
Tuesday.
Immediately, the police, huh? No. Police immediately they release the report. We will talk to you, okay?
Which number I call? Which number I call?
This is my number.
This your number?
Call the office number.
No,
this is my personal number.
No one office number off.
Now we are closed. Nobody is off. We are closed now till 8 o'clock. Sir. Now I will tell you. The next time they will release the report, I will tell you. It's okay?